Hi there, Chris here. Okay, I have made a little bit of progress with Jack Fox's push key. I was about here before, so it does have 4 pins. Inside the Bible is stuck 1 spring and 1 pin and a spring. And so I was able to get one of the springs out. Sort of did a little bit of unorthodox method on it. So now we have lots of springs, but we can put an original back in there. I put it in the oven at 500 for 17 minutes with penetrating oil in there. And heated that puppy up and was able to knock on it and get the spring out. But the stuck pin is stuck. I mean, there is one other way. Can't see it on this one. Oh, maybe I'll get the real one. The real one's so hot, it's still hot, it's cooling off. The only way I can think, yeah, it's still hot, to get it out, and I'll get my flashlight. See, you can see it stuck in there. It's just below the surface. And the only way, ouch! If you look closely here, on the correct side, you see it was pinned from the bottom originally. And if you were to knock this last pin out and be able to have a small enough drill bit and long enough to contact that, then this is all theory, then it might be possible to drill a hole in that, put an extractor in, but I don't know if the extractor would be long enough, or by the time it was here, because extractors get larger as they get down the shaft. But if I just leave it, I mean, it's stuck, it's not really going to interfere. The rest will work. And then I also have to get this spring back in, which is going to be interesting because it just doesn't slide in. Something has to be done. Anyway, I thought I would update that and give this Mako another shot. Keymaster saw that, me trying to pick this, and he's working at home during all this mess, and he decided to take a break and watch a video and pick a lock. And he just happened to be picking this lock. And right at the point where I said, okay, I give up, I fail, he got his open. My hat is off to him. These are tough, tough locks to tickle open, I'll tell you. But I'm going to try again. I'll try again. So here we go. They're much harder than 1100s. They're more like pack locks as far as difficult picking. And they have really good tolerances. And you really kind of have to go through them and pick them how they want to be picked to even start to get sets. And it's a real, they want to be tensioned just right. I don't think I showed the key, but I will. Oops. There we go. So, well, shoot, I should get it, huh? Because it's a cool lock. And I will show the key as well. So it has an Allen screw, really nice quality. It has a K on the little thing. Before I forget, that's the bitting on our key. Pardon me. It has a little anti-bypass. Walk it up. Good fella. So if I hold this, I need to trim my nails and then slide that around and get the little guy and a chim and my key. There's a lot to this. Let's see this one maybe. Chaos in the lab. That's all right. So as you can see, there's 6 pinners. Everybody needed to be picked. Here comes the old Sukaduk. First one, no serrations. Second one, 2 serrations. Third one, no serrations. Just like Americans. Got those out of order probably. If they're, I think 3 and above get serrations, and let's see, where did that little one go? That went in 4. Well, we have it in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count. Good. Oh no, we're missing one. Maybe that goes there. I don't think so. Doesn't really matter. I mean, it'll get fixed when I put it back together. So that's that. And it has, I think it has serrated and serrated spools. So one is a totally serrated pin, 2 is a spool, no serrations, 3 is a serrated pin. 4 is shooting. That was the spool. 5 is standard. And 17 springs. Little tiny guys. I'll get that one later. Here's some more. And the last one was serrated. And I'm gonna have to get this like this. Scoop through it. Okay. So, in these, do they have any guys? Little? No, I don't think so. Can't see a damn thing. There we go. No. That would be no. It's a long way to go for a no. Okay. So there you go. Whoa. Progress on the Fix-A-Lock for Fox. And got the Mako picked. And I did show the key. There we go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for all my new subscribers, old subscribers, medium subscribers, young, old, people with pets, everybody. And we will see you next time.